Welcome to Healthism, your premier destination for in-depth exploration of health and wellness topics. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of rice, unraveling the nuances between brown and white rice. Our mission is to provide you with comprehensive insights that empower your choices for a healthier life. To embark on this enriching journey and to receive our in-depth articles and expert guidance, we invite you to subscribe to the Healthism. By subscribing, you gain exclusive access to our latest research, advice, and health-related updates, all thoughtfully curated to enhance your well-being. At Healthism, we are committed to guiding you on your path to a healthier, happier life. Subscribe to the Healthism today and become a part of our thriving community dedicated to better health. Thank you for choosing Healthism as your trusted source for health and wellness. Your journey begins here. Exploring the distinctions between brown rice and white rice. Rice stands as a dietary cornerstone for nearly half of the global population, with diverse culinary traditions that celebrate this versatile grain. From the delicate simplicity of steamed rice in China to the flavorful combinations of black beans and rice in Cuba, or the fragrant coconut-infused rice in Colombia, rice is woven into the fabric of cultures worldwide. The rice tapestry further unfolds with iconic dishes like paella in Spain, risotto in Italy, rice as a curry sidekick in Pakistan, and the soulful jambalaya in the southern United States, not to mention the vibrant flavors of bibimbap in Korea. Amid this rich tapestry of rice-based dishes, rice can be broadly categorized into several types, primarily distinguished by their grain length, long, short, or medium grain, and their outer layer, brown or white. Moreover, there are unique varieties like basmati, available in both white and brown forms, and the intriguing black rice, akin to brown rice in its whole-grain glory. Beyond its culinary versatility, rice emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, serving as a primary source of carbohydrates, the body's preferred energy fuel. It's the cornerstone of countless meals across the globe. Brown rice nutrition. Let's delve into the nutritional profile of 1 cup of cooked long-grain brown rice, as meticulously recorded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. This serving boasts carbohydrates, 52 grams fat, 2 grams protein, 5.5 grams calories, 248. Fiber, 3.2 grams folate, 18.2 micrograms mcg. Magnesium, 79 milligrams mg. Manganese, 2 milligrams, selenium, 11.7 micrograms. Vitamin B3, niacin 5.2 milligrams. White rice nutrition. Equally important is the nutritional breakdown of 1 cup of cooked long-grain white rice. In the United States and numerous other countries, white rice is typically enriched, implying that essential vitamins and minerals lost during the milling process are thoughtfully restored. Let's break down its content. Carbohydrates, 44.6 grams fat, 0.4 grams protein, 4.25 grams calories, 205. Fiber, 0.6 grams folate, 91.6 micrograms. Magnesium, 19 milligrams, manganese, 0.7 milligrams, selenium, 11.8 micrograms. Vitamin B3, niacin 2.3 milligrams. Discerning the disparities. The crucial distinction between brown and white rice emerges from their grain structure. Each rice grain consists of 3 parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. In the journey from whole grain to refined white rice, the milling process selectively removes the bran and germ, leaving behind the endosperm. Brown rice, in essence, is unprocessed, retaining its bran and germ. The bran, the outermost layer of the rice kernel, is the fiber-rich component. Thus, it's no surprise that brown rice naturally boasts a higher fiber content compared to its white counterpart. The middle layer, the endosperm, primarily comprises starch, serving as the sole component of white rice. Finally, the germ contains a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, a smattering of protein, and healthy fats. It's noteworthy that while brown rice emerges as a nutritional heavyweight, white rice's enrichment process aims to compensate for the lost nutrients during milling. Although not all nutrients are restored, this enriching practice narrows the nutritional gap between the 2 varieties. However, it's advisable to supplement white rice with fiber and protein-rich elements, such as leafy greens or black beans, to ensure a balanced diet. Taste and texture. The choice between brown and white rice extends beyond nutrition, delving into taste and texture. Brown rice, often described as nuttier and denser, offers a robust and earthy flavor. In contrast, white rice maintains a subtle, light, and fluffy quality, with a milder flavor profile. These sensory differences make the choice between the two a matter of personal preference. Kitchen considerations. In the culinary realm, brown rice presents some unique considerations. Due to the presence of the fiber-rich bran layer, brown rice demands more time and water during the cooking process. To achieve a softer texture akin to white rice, it necessitates sufficient time for water penetration. Inadequate cooking may result in a firmer consistency. Fortunately, modern kitchen conveniences, such as rice cookers and par-cooked instant rice, provide quicker cooking alternatives for all rice varieties, catering to time-pressed chefs. Nutritional benefits. Both brown and white rice offer their distinct nutritional assets. Brown rice benefits. 1. Complex carbohydrates and whole grains in brown rice have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 2. A single cup of brown rice contributes significantly to daily fiber and protein requirements, promoting satiety and stable blood sugar levels. 3. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, brown rice provides substantial amounts of magnesium, manganese, selenium, and vitamin B3, niacin. 4. Its lower glycemic index means blood sugar rises gradually, making it an excellent choice for those needing blood sugar management. White rice benefits. 1. White rice is often gentler on the stomach, making it the preferred choice for individuals with digestive sensitivities. 2. As a pre-workout option, white rice excels by supplying easily digestible carbohydrates for rapid energy release, facilitating exercise readiness. 3. White rice is typically more budget-friendly and has a longer shelf life when stored correctly, in contrast to brown rice's shorter shelf life. 4. Enriched white rice stands out for its folate and selenium content, comparable to brown rice, along with significant but slightly lower quantities of magnesium, manganese, and vitamin B3. Arsenic in rice. One potential drawback common to all rice variants is their susceptibility to arsenic contamination. Arsenic, a naturally occurring element found in water and soil, can be absorbed by rice from its growing environment. The presence of arsenic in rice raises concerns, as excessive consumption of this element can pose health risks. To mitigate this risk, thorough rice washing and cooking with low arsenic water are recommended practices. Incorporating rice into a balanced diet. While rice, in its various forms, is a valued dietary component, it's essential to strike a balance and vary your grain sources. Consuming rice several times a week is a common practice, but it's advisable to rotate other grain sources into your diet. Options like pasta, tortillas, farro, and quinoa offer a diverse array of nutrients and flavors, contributing to a well-rounded diet. A balanced perspective. It's worth noting that while white rice is not considered a whole grain, it is far from being unhealthy. In fact, its nutritional profile is nearly as robust as that of brown rice. Rather than dwelling on disadvantages, the focus should be on supplementing meals with nutrient-rich components. The essence of eating should always reflect a balance between taste and nutrient density, enriching our culinary experiences. In conclusion, the choice between brown and white rice is not a stark black and white decision. Both varieties offer a wealth of nutrition and can harmoniously coexist in a balanced diet. The key is to align your selection with your personal preferences and health objectives, ensuring that your rice choice remains a delicious and nutritious one. As we conclude this exploration of the distinctions between brown and white rice, we hope you've gained valuable insights to make informed choices for your dietary and nutritional needs. Healthism remains committed to your well-being, offering a wealth of resources, guidance, and support on your journey to a healthier life. Don't forget to subscribe to The Healthism to stay updated with the latest health and wellness information, expert advice, and exclusive content. Your path to better health continues with us. Thank you for being a part of our Healthism community. We look forward to accompanying you on your ongoing quest for well-being. Stay healthy, stay informed, and stay inspired with Healthism.